Ayan, so good day to each of us. Good day to my fellow classmates. Good day to ma'am. And I am Cian Matthew C. Tamayo, and I will be discussing my two topics. First is the superposition theorem. So when we say superposition theorem, isa ang superposition theorem sa mga electrical circuit or electronic circuit analysis techniques na ginagamit para mag-solve or maghanap ng voltage or current within an element sa isang given circuit. And the superposition principle states that the voltage across or current through an element in a linear circuit is the algebraic sum of the voltage across or currents through that element due to each independent sources acting alone. Sabi pa po dito, in a network of resistors, the current in any resistor is equal to the algebraic sum of the currents delivered by each independent sources, assuming that each source is acting alone with respect to others. So always remember, if a source is operating alone, the other current sources are open circuited, while the other voltage sources are short circuited. So let's always remember that po in superposition theorem. Ayan, so in order to apply superposition theorem or superposition principle, we need to follow these steps. First, we need to turn off all independent sources except one source. So, yun po. Pag nagsosolve tayo ng superposition theorem, we first need to turn off all independent sources except for one source. Find the output voltage or current due to that active source using circuit analysis technique like KVL, KCL, voltage or current divider, nodal analysis, mesh analysis, etc. Number 2, repeat step 1 for each of other independent sources. So after we find the first source, and then we also find the other sources para in number 3, find the total contribution by adding algebraically all the contribution due to the independent sources. So after we follow step 1 and step 2, doon na natin makukuha yung gusto nating kunin by adding algebraically all the contribution due to the independent sources. Ayan. So for us to be thrilled and for us to properly know superposition theorem, let's try having sample problems. Yan, so use superposition theorem to find V in the current below. So yan po yung graph na ating gagawin or ating pagsosolvan para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ang superposition theorem. Ayan, so yan, let's proceed. So first thing first, one source at a time lang ang gagawin natin. I-off natin syempre yung dito sa ating graph. Let's first turn off ang ating 3 amperes to solve for 6 volts and vice versa. Yan. So let's solve. First, we need to give formula doon sa ating voltage natin. So ito pang gagamitin natin para makuha natin yung voltage later on. So V is equal, pasensya na po yung aking sulat. Voltage is equal to voltage due to 6 volts voltage source. Yan, mukha naman 6 yan eh. Plus voltage due to 3 amp current source. So wait lang po. Ayan. Yeah. So let's proceed. First, we need to find the voltage due to 6-volt voltage source. Equal to. So in finding voltage due to 6-volt source, ang pwede natin gamitin ang voltage divider, which ang ang i-input na natin is, first, dito tayo sa side ng 6 volts. Dito tayo sa side ng 6 volts. Yan, dito tayo. 4 ohms and 8 ohms. So, wait lang. 4 ohms over 4 ohms plus 8 ohms. Ayan. So, multiply din natin siya sa 6 volts. And ang makukuha na natin dyan is, so ang voltage due to 6 volts natin is 2 volts. Ayan. So, yan ang ating voltage due to 6 volts. So, let's find naman ang voltage due to 3 amperes natin. Ayan, so first, ang gagawin natin is kunin natin yung conductance ng ating 4 ohms. 4 ohms. Dito tayo sa side ng 3 ampere. Ito. Ayan. So, 1 over 4 over 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4 times, syempre, ang ating 3 ampere. So, ang ating I4 ohms is equal to 2 ampere. Then, pwede na natin kunin ang ating voltage due to 3 amperes. Yan, so voltage due to 3 amperes is equal to, pwede natin, para makuha natin yung value ng ating voltage due to 3 ampere, pwede natin gamitin ang Ohm's law. So, siyempre yung ginawa natin kanina ay 4 ohms times 4 ohms. Equals to, ang value ng I4 ohms natin is 2 amperes multiplied by 4 ohms is equal to 8 volts. Ayan, so nakuha na natin ang dalawang value natin. Then, pwede nating ma-solve ang ating, pwede na natin tong ma-solve. Okay? Ayan, so input na natin lahat na nakuha natin kanina. So, ang ating voltage due to 6 volt is, ano yung nakuha natin? 2 volts plus ang voltage due to 3 ampere natin is 8 volts. Therefore, ang ating voltage is equal to 10 volts. So, simple lang, di ba? Yan. Ito na ang ating final answer. Ayan. I hope na may natutunan tayo sa oras na ito. And let's enjoy the world of electrical circuits. Let's enjoy superposition theorem. God bless us, everyone. Bye.